Basically, if you own a small business or you're trying to build one, this is for you. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need any tech background. If you can send a WhatsApp message to a friend, then you can do everything I'm about to show you in this video. It's as simple as that. I've also built a full interactive guide for this class. Link is in the description. Everything I will be explaining here today, you can see it visually and practice it there. And it's totally free. You don't need to pay a single dime. So first, what is a prompt? Prompt na the message where you dey type give AI. Every time you open ChatGPT or Gemini and you type something, give them. That thing where you type send, give the AI. That is your prompt. Most people don't realize this, so I want make you pay real attention. The quality of your results depends almost 100% on how you write that message, send, give the AI. So if you get bad result from AI, no be the AI no sabi, now wetin you write give am no clear enough. Now look at these two examples. Same AI, the same tool. The first person type to the AI, write something for my business. AI go write something, but na rubbish because there is no clear instructions or context to wetin you want make the AI do for you. Then the second person type give the AI, write a short WhatsApp message to remind my customers that their order is ready. Keep it friendly. Under 3 sentences, AI go write exactly wetin dem need. The person go just copy am, paste am, send, done. The same AI, but different instructions and completely different result. Na so this thing dey work. Now let me give you an analogy wey go make this thing clear forever for you so that you go fit understand well well. Now imagine say you just employ one new worker for your company. This person is very intelligent, very fast, e dey capable to do the work wey you employ am for. But they just start to work with you today. They no sabi anything about your business or what you do for your business. If you tell them, go do something for me, dem go just go do something, but e no go be wetin you want because the instructions no dey clear enough. There's no context to what you send them. But if you say, go to ShopRite for Maryland, buy 2 medium-sized paintbrush, come back before 12, bring the receipt, dem go, dem go come back. Everything go dey perfect, exactly how you explain, give them. So prompting is just giving good and clear instructions. That's it. No need to complicate them. No need to go too far. I just giving clear and precise instructions to AI, the same way you go give human being where you dey work with. You can dey wonder, okay, so what is the format? What is the formula? How do you talk to it? I'm going to give you a formula, and it's going to be a 4-part formula. If you don't remember anything else from this video, remember these 4 things where I want to tell you now. Number 1, role. Number 2, task. Number 3, context. Number 4, format. Number 1, role. You sabi how actor dey enter character, abi? AI can do the same thing. Before you give your instructions, tell the AI what kind of expert it should act as. Start with you are a, and then give a job title. Like you go make sure say he know the job wey he dey come do. For example, you are a social media manager for a Nigerian food business in Ibadan. Just those words alone go completely change how the AI go respond, or the approach wey you go use take respond to your request. Number 2, task. Tell AI exactly what to do, what you want, how many, what type, for what occasion. Example, write 3 Instagram captions for a Monday evening promo post showing grilled chicken. The more specific you are, the clearer the result is. Number 3, context. Give AI a background information about your business or your situation. Who you are, the customers where you dey sell to, what city you dey do your business, what kind of vibe is your brand. Make I give you example. You go tell the AI say, my business is called Quench. We sell grilled food and fresh drinks in Ibadan. Our customers are young professionals between 22 and 35. Context na the secret weapon wey you need to work with AI. Na the thing wey go make AI sound like say dem know your business personally. Number 4, format. Tell AI how you want the result to look. You need to be very specific of how you want the result to look. Is the result going to be short? Is it formal or casual? Making use pidgin or English with hashtag or without hashtag. Example, you go type, give the AI, say, keep each caption under 2 sentences, sound fun and street. End with 2 hashtags. If you no tell am format, anything when you like, now it will just give you. But format will control the result wey e give you. Let me summarize. The 4 parts are role, task, context and format. You no need to use all 4 of them every time, but the more you use them, the better result you will get. Let me show you example right now. So this is going to be a live demo of how to actually prompt AI and get the right results. We could do them together. Okay, so watch as I go take do am. I'm going to build a prompt live using all 4 parts where I don't explain to you. Let's say I'm a food business owner in Ibadan and I need Instagram caption. Normal person will just type, write caption for my business, and it go send them. Watch wetin dem go get. This isn't a bad result they get, so abi? This isn't a very bad result be this. You don't even if you use something like this for your business. And the kind of thing where you go get if you no give them instructions. And nobody go fit post this kind of thing for social media. Too general, too boring. Now watch what happens when I use the 4-part formula. The one wey me and you don't discuss now. Watch wetin go happen if I use that same formula. You can't tell the AI say, you are a social media manager for a Nigerian food brand. That's the role. You don't give her the role. Now you can't go to the next place. Come and say, write 3 Instagram caption for a Monday evening post showing grilled gizzard and a cold drink. The brand is called Quench. Customers are young professionals in Ibadan. The vibe is fun, street level but premium. Each caption should be 1 or 2 sentences. Use pidgin naturally. End with 2 to 3 hashtags. If you write this kind of prompt, give them now, it will give you clear result because say you give them enough context to work with. It will give you captions where they very tailored to your business. This one is something where person fit post now for social media. It get vibes. It sound like the brand. They speak to the right people. And that took less than 30 seconds. Like basically 30 seconds. No copywriter, no agency, no waiting. Just a well-structured prompt. Before we finish, 5 quick rules. 1. Be very specific. Number 2, always give AI a role. Number 3, tell AI who your customers be. Lagos market trader and corporate executive could get completely different customers. AI need to know who is talking to. So, number 4, tell AI what you don't want. Don't use big grammar. Don't make it too long. Negative instructions are very powerful. You now as you tell the AI what you no want, it go dey very mindful of those things so that it no go mistakenly put them for your result. Number 5, and this is the most important one. If you don't like the result, go back to the prompt. Don't edit the output. Improve the instructions. The prompt is where the real work happens. Because if, for instance, now you clear everything, go start from the beginning, it don't lose the context of our communication. So make sure say you improve on the result we don't already give you, so that you will get better results. Prompt engineering is a very simple concept. It's basically communication. Every society before we become what we be today, communication was the most important factor for us to come together as a community, or for us to communicate and share ideas with each other. So the same thing is now happening with humans and AI. We are crossing that bridge where we now communicate with machines. And the same rules apply, just as you talk to a real person too. You need to make sure your context is very clear. You need to make sure you follow these simple rules so that you get maximum result every time you communicate with AI. So this is the class 1 for understanding and working with AI. This is our first class. Now we cover the prompting, why it matters for your business, the 4-part formula, a live example, and 5 rules you can start using today. The link to the full interactive class guide. It's in the description. Open it. Use the prompt builder at the bottom of the document and try your first real prompt today. This one will build your confidence to get better results with AI. This is not something you want to try tomorrow. This is something you want to try today, because you can almost instantly start seeing the results for your business almost instantly. So in our next class, we are going to discuss how to generate free product image for your businesses using AI. Now you go use the skills where you learn today, which is how to prompt AI to generate those images in our next classes. So between now and that next classes, you can practice with the guide I've given you for free. Use the link in the description so that in our next class, you will be able to follow along. So if you enjoy this kind of content, subscribe and turn on the notification so that when next I post the next video, you are among the first people to know. Like I said in the beginning, AI no go replace anybody, but people wey know how to use AI, and then go replace people wey no wan use the AI. So I go like make you dey among people wey know how to use the AI so that you no go dey left behind.